Hello guys, today we're going to talk about putting an interior inside your JK 2017 CRC edition SCX10ii. To put an interior inside a JK, you have three choices. One, buy a random interior from like Proline or other companies. Number two, pick an old JK body, the 2012 body, because that has a interior in it, and then tear up the sides, the hood, and the back of the car, of the body, and then pick out the interior with the cage and put it inside your JK. And number three is that just buy a new one, which I did, and this is the code for that. Buy a new 2012 Jeep Wrangler Ultimate Rubicon body, and this is just the body only. I will explain why I just got the body and no cage for that. And just buy a Rubicon 2012 Wrangler body, and then cut the size of it and paint it in flat black, trim it and put it inside the JK. So why I don't have a cage on here? Because number one, this is just a body only package from Axial, and I didn't got because they don't have the package which was the which had the cage inside the package, so I just didn't do that. And number two was that because of the weight distribution inside the truck, if I had the cage on the top and this was inside the truck, so if you imagine the cage is pretty heavy, so that will make the center of gravity lift up, so then you don't have that much of stability on the rocks because you have a top heavy truck, and that's not good for rock crawling. So I didn't got the cage for this, which I could, because there's like, you should pay like $30 for the sides and another $30 for the top, and then you have the cage. But I didn't went that way because I didn't want the top heavy body. When you buy the body only package, you also get a lot of stickers for that. And here, this is my leftover stickers from the body. The sticker that I'm gonna put on the truck is the license plate, which I'm gonna wait to buy a Night Customs license plate for the JK body, and then after that I will install it on the JK body. And then the other thing which you live with is, if you trim the body so carefully, you will live with a lot of pieces from your car. And this is like a scale garage, which you have the hood, the grill, all of that stuff. I used a flat black paint spray and I got this from Walmart. So when you get the body only, you won't get the steering wheel or the shifter or the fuel cap. So I borrowed these pieces from my old JK, which I have here, because this one looks more realistic, and because it's all black, it's more realistic and adds a ton of scale realism to the truck, just having that little pieces on there. One thing I did here was that I put some masking tape on the behind the gauges and behind the GPS screen. So then after I installed it and after all of that stuff, maybe I will put some light behind that so they will shine up and look more realistic in the night. I will go and put the interior inside the truck. When you buy the body only, you get a lot of interesting stickers, and one was for the back, and that's the cover when they delete the spare tire on the JK Rubicon. They put a plate over there so they can cover that the missing piece over there. And then what I did for this was that I stick this sticker on a piece of lick sand, extra lick sand, and then glued the lick sand to the body, because that cover will just pop out a bit. That makes it more realistic, because in the real JK, tailgate is not flat and it's just pops out a bit on here. As you can see here, when you put the interior inside the JK body, you will lose the access to the body posts, and you lose this body post. Or you can cut this area here, actually ruin the body, to have the body post to go all the way in and pop out right here. But that doesn't look good in there when you look at it in this angle. It looks good when you have the cage inside because there's a lot of stuff going inside and that doesn't look so awkward. So, but here I didn't want to have that big body post stick out of the fuel cell. And what I did was that I just created a mount by myself for the back of the truck. To cover the holes for the body posts on the top, you can just put some sticker here, like if you don't like to use that red fuel cell cover sticker, you can just put it on the body. That looks kind of good. The colors kind of match. But number 2 is that just leave them open. And number 3, what I did is that I just put a fake body post inside. I created a bar which connected 2 body posts together, and then I glued them. So let's install the body on and let's see how does it look. There it is, the JK body sits proper and with no issues. No popping up. Good in the front, sides all good. And if you don't have the interior on the JK, you must have some popping noise on the side. But when you install that interior in there, you will lose all that movement on the side, and you have just a bit of that. So there's less chance for the side of the body to come out of the place. Let's have a look. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you hadn't, and hit the notification bell so you will get updates whenever this channel has a new video. And then like the video if you liked it, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned and do this to your JK. That looks so good with the interior inside that JK body.